Hello, I am Carolyn Monahan, the Director of Marketing and Communications for the West Coast Chamber. The Ottawa County Department of Public Health has been working tirelessly to keep us informed during this COVID-19 outbreak. So when we have questions from our members, we know that they are a reliable source of information. Today, I am joined by Senior Epidemiologist Darrell Glasshauer to help answer some questions about how businesses can get back to work safely. Welcome, Darrell, and thanks for being with me today.
Thank you for having me, Carolyn.
Darrell, everyone's focus right now is on safety. So we're hearing conflicting information as to the value of mask wearing. So can you explain a little bit about the benefits of wearing a mask in public?
So masks is a blanket term that's used for a spectrum of face coverings. Ones that we see in a healthcare setting usually go by the name of an N95 respirator. It's a mask that fits tightly to the skin on your face and actually filters out particles before they get into your lungs. So those masks in healthcare settings protect the healthcare workers from COVID-19 that may be in a space that they're working in. Generally, the masks that we're talking about in public settings and in places of business are face coverings or surgical masks that don't fit tightly to the skin around the face and don't have a good filtration system for air that you're breathing in. The main purpose of face coverings and surgical masks used in places of business and public settings is to contain droplets from people who are talking, breathing, coughing, sneezing. The whole goal is to keep the droplets that help spread COVID-19 contained close to the mask rather than getting sprayed out in public spaces where other people can breathe them in.
Is there any reason why wearing a mask would not offer protection?
Wearing a mask in public is mostly about protecting the people around you. And if we're all doing that and we're doing it consistently, if another person is wearing a mask, they're protecting you. That general recommendation is for everyone in the community when they're in a public space. If you go to the grocery store, the recommendation is to wear a mask to protect the people around.
So as customers are starting to be able to go back into businesses, can a business refuse entry to a customer if they're not wearing a mask?
So the public health recommendation to the general public is that they wear a mask when they're out in public places. It's up to the business if they want to refuse entrance, but keep in mind that there's also an enforcement part of that. When you're thinking about how to reopen safely, acting out of an abundance of caution and encouraging folks to wear a mask when they come into your place of business is, I think, a really good first step.
Thank you. We all want to keep our community safe, and our business owners are really looking forward to bringing customers back to their doors. So thank you for helping us to help them. And thanks for being with me today.
My pleasure.